I'm Carmen from HunterLab Technology. In this video, I will show you how to use HunterLab EasyMatch QC software with HunterLab Color Spectrophotometer. For your information, EasyMatch QC software is a comprehensive color quality control package designed for Windows. So first, what you're gonna do is turn on the Miniscan EZ, and then you connect the USB cable from Miniscan EZ to PC. So in your PC, you already have this EasyMatch QC software, and this is how it looks like before you take the measurement. So from here, you can see three sections over here. This section, we call it is color data table display. And over here, this is a spectra plot display where you can see the graph, the reflectance against the wavelength. And this section you will see is color plot display. So I will explain to you furthermore. Normally, before we do the measurement, we will do some configuration. So in this area, we can just right click, configure, and you will see scales, differences, indices, and text fields. So normally what we do is we want to set what kind of result we want to receive, which is CIE, LAB. Then you can just click to the left, it's already there. And then for differences, which is the differences between two samples, you want to see the differences in L value, A value, or B value. There are so much more that you can choose, and also it depends on your application. Okay, I can just show you the entire list over here. Differences of whiteness index, yeah. Okay. Normally we choose is differences in L, A, B, and delta E. So indices, there are many you can choose: ADMI, APHA for different application. And for your application, you can choose a 457 nanometer brightness. Then you push to the left, it's already there. And the text field, you can choose pass of field for your sample. And also you can select the date if you want, push to the left. Yeah, it's already there. And furthermore, you can choose a different combination of illuminants or observers. Normally the common illuminants or observer is D65/10. And for statistic, you can get the average of the all sample that you measured, and also you can know it's the maximum, minimum, standard deviation, and range. So it's a very useful software which help you to do the statistical data collection. Once done, you just click OK. So you already have this value with you, and then you can just proceed to read sample that you want. So this is the blank template. I will show you the one with result. Okay, for example, this is the sample test that I got earlier. Okay, so like I said just now, we read the sample, it will come out the data that you want. So in there, I have tested many samples, so the display is over here. You can see the L star, A star, B star, and then you got yellowness index based on the C/2 illuminant observer combination, or YI, depends on application. Then you got whiteness index, and you can go for 457 nanometer. So this is the result that you get. And then you can refer to this spectral plot. If you think that it's too small for you, you can just maximize this view. So what it's gonna do for you is it displays the spectral reflectance at 10 nanometer increment. So from here 400, 410, 420. So from this 400 until 700 nanometer, you can have this graph versus a reflectance percentage. Okay, and it will display to you the minimum and maximum value of the reflectance in the graph for each sample. Then we go back, and this one is the 2D color plot, where if you still can remember, the HunterLab LAB's color scale is in 3D form. So this one just to display to you in 2D, and this x-axis is A value, positive A, negative A, and y-axis is positive B and negative B. So it's from a red color, yellow, green, and blue. At the right side here, it shows you the L-axis from 0 until 100. In this example, the sample show, you can just move your cursor here and you will know the L star is 59.91 for sample D3. And then for this one, you can see the value for A star and for B star, just to help you visualize, okay, my sample is about yellowish color, rather than depends on the value you can see here. This one is just to show the LAB value. Yeah, so this is the common interface that our customer use when they measure the color and how they want to view the result. This is the template. Once done already, you can save job as usual. You can save this template into your folder. Okay. Or alternatively, if you prefer to export your data in Excel file, it's easy. You can just highlight the whole thing, you just copy, and then you go to your Excel file and then paste it there for your own data purpose. So that's all from on the introduction of the EasyMatch QC software. Thank you very much.